tilted. He tilted, guys. He just tilted. And now he's waving. He's waving. Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
God bless. Thanks. Look, I got mozzarella sticks. He tilted. Now he's turning and now he's waving again. That's my long distance boyfriend. Crack me up. Crack me up. He's maybe not so long distance. Don't I look like Bruce Lee right now? Be a watcher, my friend. Wait, look, there he's turning. She's turning. He's turning around, guys. He's turning around. Oh, please be filming this whole time. Yes, the camera's filming this whole time. Awesome. He's going around in a circle, you guys. I'm sure it is. I'm sure it is. And I got mozzarella sticks. Crack me up. Crack me up. Okay, there we is. There we is. I got a long distance boyfriend. He's like 150 feet up. I'm serious, because this guy just hit on me. I'm not kidding you guys. A guy just hit on me, and instead of asking for my phone number, he bought me mozzarella sticks, which I thought was hilarious. I thought that was hilarious. And I gave him my lighter, so it was a fair trade. And now I'm gonna go pawn my mozzarella sticks for cash. Amen. Oh, look at he's so precious. Precious. That's not how you say precious. I guess so for urban pilot, you say precious. Because they're grown up. Hilarious. Hilarious, you guys. Hilarious. Let's see what he does next. He's flying off into the sunset, I think. I think he's flying off into the sunset, you guys. Oh, I hope I didn't get in trouble by the manager here. He's flying off into the sunset. No, he's turning around. One never knows. One never knows. Okay, let's see what he does next. I'm thinking he's gonna go around in the circle, but maybe not. Hilarious. Hi, you guys. Oh, he's turning around, guys. He's turning around. Hi. Nice sunny day. This is a nice sunny day. He's turning around, guys. He's gonna fly over again. There he is! There he is! Oh, this is greatness! I love the Cessna, by the way. Really handsome Cessna. This is a oh, there's a bird. There's a bird. This is a really handsome Cessna, you guys. I mean, yeah. Could be Josh. I have no idea. Maybe he's gonna ask me to marry him today. Did that crack you up, Cessna pilot? Did that crack you up? Please let me know, dude. Oh, then his answer is, I'm flying off into the sunset. And look at this huge piece of cardboard. Hilarious. Oh, there he goes. He's going off into the sunset. I gotta get myself organized. I'm trying to fly my sign. I've got mozzarella sticks. You know, I'm a busy lady. And there's the cross. Amen. Yeah, I think he's taking off. Alright, guys. I gotta go turn this in because I want cigarettes. Amen.